Marital life is a source of pleasure, is a source of peace, is a source of happiness. How?
That pocket is not only the man's pocket.
True.
It's the pocket of the family.
True. So you mean there should be no over demand, no?
Yes, sir.
But if you decide that this is the husband to earn and this is the wife to take care of the family, it's okay. Resources, excellent. If we keep our resources in view and we start leading our life accordingly, so this life shall be a source of pleasure, peace and happiness. Excellent.
How if you don't like something, share it with the partner.
In the life there are good and bad patches also.
Mashallah.
And in your bad patches you have someone that can back you and get you out from that bad patch.
Very good. Okay. So again, this is...
Sir, these days most of the problems are financial. I think that the spouse should be fully aware of the income of his or her life partner. Moreover, the wishes or demands shall be limited. I mean according to the income. If the demands are unlimited, this behavior shall damage the marital life.
Okay, see, here comes compromise. Here comes sacrifice.
Yes, sir.
Now the point is, now you have started that marital life, and sometimes what happens now that you are running short of money. It's quite natural, no?
Yes.
No, what is to be done in that particular situation? No. So the man says that
In the early days of the marital life, all this can be managed, but as the time passes, this over-demanding behavior causes disturbance.
So you mean there should be no over demand, no?
Yes.
As you start your marital life, so what makes your life peaceful and pleased, or how can you get pleasure from your marital life that if you don't go for any over demands, no?
Yes, sir.
It's you to live within your limits. Whatever you have, try to adjust yourself. Again, compromise.
Yes, no over expectation.
Excellent, no? No go for no over expectation, no over expenditure, no over demand, etc. If you lead your life in such a way, your life shall be a source of happiness, pleasure, and peace. This is our question, no? So this is your point of
Yes,
view.
sir.
That this life or the better life can be a source of pleasure, peace, if we start leading a life according to our own resources. Excellent. If we keep our resources in view and we start leading our life accordingly, so this life shall be a source of pleasure, peace and happiness. Excellent. Please.
Sir, according to my point of view, when each of the life partners love to talk with the spouse, it results in peace. How? If you don't like something, share it with the partner. If you need any kind of help, ask for it. If you are asked to the thing you don't like at all, straightforwardly tell the partner.
What does he want to say? Actually, you want to say that how can, very good, excellent, but how can this life be a source of pleasure, a source of peace? That if you start sharing,
It's a peaceful life.
if you start sharing, the more sharing is there, the most peace shall be there in your marital life.
Yes.
So whatever you like, share. Whatever you dislike, share. If the like is there, it shall increase. If dislike is there, it shall start decreasing.
Yes.
How simple that is now. Excellent point. Now that this is the sharing between the couple or among all members of the family,
Yes.
which gives pleasure or which is the source of peace. MashaAllah. Beautiful point. Please. The question?
Yes.
Marital life is a source of pleasure, is a source of peace, is a source of happiness. How?
I want to add one point in it, and that is in the life there are good and bad patches also.
MashaAllah.
And in your bad patches you have someone that can back you and get you out from that bad patch.
Very good. When our life becomes peaceful or pleased or happy, when we have someone at our back, when we have support from our surrounding. So this is the best back or support which you have at your home. That whatever you feel, if you share, so you will be having support. So if you start leading life with this, that there are bad patches in your life, there are problems in your life, and how to behave if you're trained like that, no? If you're educated like that, that in these bad days, you're talking about that thick and thin. So whenever thin is there, so what is to be done? That is you to back, it's you to support. So the best support which we can get, that is from the life partner. If the life partners both of them, if they're happy, so the whole environment shall be happy. So this was the second question now. We are moving to the third one. You want to add something? Before we move to the third, not the question, now let the man add something.
Point that I missed, that even educated people in our society are lacking nowadays, is the sunnah that even oil prophet used to help his wives in their work.
True.
Even if people are living an educated life and they have no problems visibly,
Okay.
they are not there to help their partners, even such as if we were talking about the financial issues. If a wife has the financial issues, that pocket is not only the man's pocket.
True.
It's the pocket of the family.
True.
He has to take desire into considerations according to that pocket. And even if a man who runs the family, who has the income, he should also think about the wife's desires of his wife.
Excellent.
At that time.
Excellent.
Because if we are doing work, as you talked about, if a wife is ill, he should cook that for himself too.
Absolutely right. Also, share the burden.
Share the burden.
Share the burden. It should not be that that the contract was signed on the very first day. No, that these are the duties of the husband and these are the duties of the wife. And sometimes it happens now that due to certain reason the wife that is unable to carry out the duties or activities. I mean the domestic chores, and the husband, by twisting his mustache, starts shouting at his wife because that this is at all costs. The lady, the wife will have to do that. This is again against the norms. It causes it disturbs your peace. It disturbs your happiness and pleasure.
It results in pleasure.
Excellent. Again, one more thing which you were just talking about, that was that the pocket is not the pocket of yours. That wallet is not the wallet of yours. This pocket or this wallet is of the whole family because you're the head of the family. This head can be even the wife. If you agree that the wife shall be that earning and the husband shall be cooking, no issue at all. But if you decide that this is the husband to earn and this is the wife to take care of the family, it's okay. And this is the agreement which is made by the couple.
Yes.
So if you have decided so earning is not for one person, and same cooking is not for the one. As cooking is for the whole family, now that earning is for the whole family. Oh, logical that is. Mashallah. Anything else?
That is it.
So our second question is that we are moving to the third question. If you are still fresh.
Yes.
Mashallah.